What's up, guys? How you all doing? Hey, welcome to another video. Hey, today I picked up a newspaper, but it wasn't just a normal newspaper. It was the Daily Prophet, and on the cover was Sirius Black. He's escaped from Azkaban. Guys, if you want to see how to make this cool little video deal, I'll show you in just a second how to make an embedded video onto our deal using augmented reality. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. It's coming up right here, right now on MI Sperry. Alright guys, so as the video intro said, we're going to be checking out how to play around with some augmented reality. That's right. So what we're going to need for this is we're going to need the Unity engine is the one that I'm going to go with now. We may play around with other augmented realities. There's some other engines out there. There's open source ones. I know there's one called OpenSpace 3D that we may take a look at as well, but the easiest and simplest so far and probably well known is Unity. Unity is used for creating some great video games. Basically, a lot of the Steam games that are from independent developers use Unity. So we'll probably be checking that out. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and sign up here and download it. So it shouldn't be too bad. Let's see. I think we just click on this here. I got to remember. Yeah. So you hit the get started. And of course you can have the Plus or Pro, and they charge you monthly. But if you do just a personal developer and it's just for beginners, you can do, it says try, but it's not really a trial. It's the version of it. So it'll give you a license. You'll generate a license key and whatnot once you install it and everything and get Unity up and running. Okay. Now, the thing is, you download Unity Hub first, which is kind of like a launcher application. And then you have to, through that application, run Unity. And so I will show you what that looks like. So let me get my Unity Hub out. Oop, that's Unity. Hold on. I gotta get this going for you guys. Okay, so here we go. So there's me playing around with different things and whatnot. But basically what you'll do is you'll go to this install section, and usually this will be blank. And what you'll do is you say you want to add, and then you'll pick which Unity version to add. Now, the Unity version that I'm using is the 2018 version 4.0 F as in Foxtrot 1. That's the one that I am using. I did not choose the most bleeding edge one because the tool that I'm going to use for the augmented reality just had all kinds of problems. I had lots of bugs, and so I just backed up a couple of versions and haven't had any problems since. So you just do that, you hit next, and then it will install Unity, okay? And you can either launch it from here or you can launch it from your desktop. Either way you want to do it is fine. So well, here's basically a project manager and everything. So the next piece, though, that you need to have besides Unity is you need to have Vuforia. Okay, so Vuforia is pretty simple. All you got to do, again, you'll have to sign up for it. I'm already signed into my developer account, but it is free as well. You can sign up for a developer account, and then you can basically use their service. So what I do is you will go into license, okay, and you will get a development key. You don't buy the development license, you get a development key. You'll name it whatever. I named it my channel or whatever, and then they'll give you a license key, okay, and you'll need this key to use in Unity. So it's this key right here, and you'll click it, and I'm not showing anything terrible. You can see my key, and it's all free, so you don't need my key. Just get your own key. But it basically just will link your account in Unity, so that way things will work. The next thing that you'll need to do is we'll have to create some targets. Okay, so I will show you how to do this here in just a second. So I had the cool little Sirius Black. I thought that would be a fun one to do, so I just did some Googling. Just Google Daily Oops, I typed Google. Daily Prophet, Prisoner of Azkaban, or something like that. I don't know. And you get all kinds of images for it. So you can pick whichever image you want to pick. I definitely recommend picking one that's fairly good size, so that way it doesn't become pixelated when you print it out, because if it gets all pixelated, then it has a hard time, the augmentation has a hard time figuring out what the image is. So I think this one's a good one, or however you want to do it, just whatever image you want to augment. And this doesn't have to be this Prisoner of Azkaban one. This could be really any image. So what I did was I basically downloaded a few of those images. Let me pull the folder over here so you can see it. So I downloaded a few of these images. I ended up not using this one. You need something that it can augment. I downloaded this face first, but it was, I think with the yellow, it was hard for it to augment it. So I downloaded this black and white version, and it seemed to work a little better. So what you do is, this is going to be the key that we're going to use, because that's the one that's on, I think I used, no, not that poster. I used this poster. So it's the same picture. See, it's the same image, even though this one's yellower. This image is still the exact same image, so the key points that the augmentation is going to use will work. So to do this, we need to convert this into something that's like augmentable, okay? So that's where Vuforia comes in. You're going to create and say add database. Device is fine. You can give your database a name. So I'm just going to call this test because I already have this created. And then you're going to say create. Okay, and then in your test, you're going to click on it and you're going to add a target. Okay, so we're going to add single image. We're going to choose our Prisoner of Azkaban face, and then give it a width that's fairly decent. It gives a little bit of description down here. I just do 5. 5 is a good width. Otherwise, it'll come in teeny tiny inside of Unity. So you want to give it like a 5 or whatever, and then you've got the name for it. So I'm just going to say test face. Sure, test face. Add. So then this will add, and then it will process it, and it'll take it a minute to process it. I usually just kind of refresh the page, going back, going forward, and then rating tells you how well it was able to augment it. And like I said, when I was using that other one, this one, the rating was really low. The rating was only like 2 or 3 stars, so it didn't work very well. So you want something that's a good clean picture, okay? And then all we have to do is just say download databases, and you want to say for Unity editor. Sorry, I keep looking over here. I need to look at this screen. All right, so we're going to download that. So this is our face. Let's say, face. This is our face. So save it. So now it's going to save that Unity package. So there's our database. Okay, so we need that. That's basically our augmentation information. Now we need Unity. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull up Unity. Let's get rid of some of this stuff here. Let's pull up Unity, and I want a new project. I want a 3D project. We're going to name this our Prisoner, and we're going to put this in our AR, in our YouTube Azkaban folder. Select it, create. Now we'll launch Unity. Okay, we got it all loaded up and everything. First thing we need to do is we'll get rid of the main camera, because this is just a standard like video game camera. So we'll get rid of that because we don't need it. The daylight, fine, doesn't really need to be there, but that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my folder here, and under our assets section, I'm going to drag that face database into there, and it's going to ask me to import it, and I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Wait, you can't see that. Okay, it's going to ask us to import it. I'm going to say import, and so that should get our database in. Now it should automatically load the database, and we'll get to that here in a second. So first thing we need to do is we need to add a AR camera game object. So come up to game object, Vuforia engine, and AR camera. Oh, and that's another thing I forgot to explain that. When you install Unity, you'll need to make sure and check the box that says to install Vuforia. Okay, so we're going to hit import. So there is our augmented reality camera, which is what we need. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take my face off now, so you don't get to see my beautiful face, but I'm going to take my face off now just so you can see all the settings. Okay, so there's a lot of settings that are here that I want to make sure we look at. So that gets our AR camera, so that's good. Next thing we need to do is go to our build settings. Now, in build settings, you can pick what device you're wanting to build it for. I'm just going to leave it on PC or Mac, but if you're wanting to, the end result to go on to an Android device, an Apple device, Xbox One, whatever, you can set your build options here. I'm just going to leave it on PC. But what I want to do is go to player settings, okay? And with player settings, I want to turn on the Vuforia augmented reality. So I want to check that box, and then that's it for the player settings, okay? So now we need to add basically our image in. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here to game object. we're going to come down to Vuforia engine, but then we're going to come to image because that's what we want to use. And since we already drug our database in and imported it in, it automatically put the picture with it. So there's our picture of good old Sirius Black. All right, so now we need to add a video. Now I've gone ahead and grabbed a GIF of basically the Prisoner of Azkaban right here. So if I double click on that and move it over here, you guys can see I took and just used a simple GIF to MP4 converter to convert that over to MP4 so that way I can use it. What I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that into my assets too. So we're going to plop that in there so that way we have it. Now, what we're going to do on this guy is now that we have this image selected, what we need to do is we need to set something that we can play the video on. So we're going to right click on it, 3D objects, and we're going to add a quad. And all a quad is basically a plane. It means that it has 4 vertices, so it's quad. So sorry about that. So now, of course, it's vertical here. So what we're going to do is this red is the x-axis. See, we're going to rotate over here on our transform menu. We're going to rotate this 90 degrees on the x, so that way it lays flat. Now we're also going to make some changes to the scale. Now I think I remember the numbers, but I'm going to squeeze it down a little bit so that way it'll fit on our paper. And this is something that you just have to trial and error. So I think I did 0.8 here, and it did about 0.9 I think there. So that's going to fit just fine on there. So now we may have to tweak it, but that's it. So now we need to add the movie. So we're going to come down here to the bottom to this add component. Okay, we're going to look for video. I've already typed it in, but you can see all the components. You type video, and we're going to choose video player. Okay, now once video player is chosen, we're going to drag our video up to video clip, just like that. Now this one we want it to loop, right? So it looks like the one in Harry Potter. So we're going to turn the loop on, and then leave all the rest of the settings pretty much the same. So that should be about all that we need to set up. So let's go ahead and check out what it's going to look like. Now, before we do that, I need to go to our AR camera, go over here to open Vuforia settings. Okay, click that. And then here's where our license key goes. So we need to put our license key here. I think I still have it in my clipboard. So you just cut and paste that license key. Remember from here, we have the license management, your license key. You'll use that, copy and paste it into this box. Okay. And once done with that, you need to select your camera. And as it says, there's no camera available. So we're going to select my Logitech camera, which is one that I'm using right now. And that will use the webcam for testing. And then this shows what databases were loaded. The test database is loaded. So that's cool. So we should be ready to go. So all we have to do now is hit the play button. Okay, and just like that, I had to switch it over, but I've pressed play. And so now, theoretically, if we did everything right, it should come up. So let's show it to it. And there it is. Now, it may need a little more tweaking on the sides, but that's basically, in a nutshell, how to very quickly create a cool augmented reality. And you can do this with anything. You could even have, like, you know, I saw one video of a guy using playing cards, and he'd have it where it would change the playing card. He'd show it like it was like a queen, to change it to a king or whatever. Or you can have little videos that would play. Now, you're not limited to one video. You could put multiple videos in. If I wanted this S, for instance, to move around or something, or the B over here to move around, totally could do it. So anyway, guys, I figured that was a lot of fun to get you guys introduced to augmented reality. I want to build some really cool stuff using this, and you can put it into a cell phone, which we could put into a visor. And so I know you guys, you probably know where I'm going with this. I'd like to have like an augmented reality HUD, you know, like a heads-up display or something that we could put inside of, I don't know, maybe the 3D printed Halo helmet that I have sitting over there. I don't know. Sky's the limit. It's pretty awesome. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please hit that like button. Go down there and hit the subscribe button and smash that bell, because subscriptions don't really mean much anymore. You don't really get notified unless you ring that bell. So make sure that you ring the bell so that way you don't miss any more videos, because I'm going to do quite a few videos on this. I think I'm really getting excited and playing with this, so it's going to be awesome. So definitely make sure you ring that bell. Check me out on the different socials down below. Check out the new Reddit page. There's a Reddit page down there. I try to post something at least every day, and most of the time it's cross posts of interesting things, stuff that I might think of for the channel, or sometimes just downright funny stuff I'll throw over there. So definitely come check me out on Reddit. Down below is the link and everything. So guys, with that ought to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and with that, I will see you next time.